and welcome to my channel and welcome to another vlog. In this video, I'm going to bake a nectarine pie. I love using stone fruits in my baking. Last summer, I baked a very nice peach pie and I loved that how flavorful and juicy the pie turned out. I was at the local market the other day and I saw these beautiful nectarines. And I thought, why not baking nectarine pie? So I'm going to bake a nectarine pie today. I bought a new pie tin and I'm going to test it today. Before, I used to make my pies in ceramic tins. The problem with these tins is that you need to bake the crust first and then fill it and then return to the oven and bake with the fillings. Otherwise, the crust doesn't bake fully and remains soggy. So I'm going to try this one, which is has perforated holes and hopefully give me a nice crust for my pie. Before I start baking, I would like to talk about my photography and video taking setting. I'm going to use this woody brown backdrop, and I already talked and explained about backdrops I'm using in my videos in my previous vlogs. So I don't want to talk again and repeat it again. I just skip this topic. But if you are interested in this type of backdrops, please watch my previous vlogs. Today we have a bright and sunny day here in Brisbane, and the temperature has been dropped few degrees, which is really good, and I enjoy it because I hate hot and humid weather. Today I'm going to use natural light. So when I'm using natural light, I usually put my setting next to the window. The window is partially blocked by curtains, and if I need, I put a large diffuser in front of the window. Since I'm the only person who takes photos, videos, and does all the baking and cleaning, I either use my C-stand or my tripod when I'm taking photos or taking videos. And the other thing I would like to say is that I always connect my camera to my laptop and control everything from my laptop. This way I can see details and I have control over the setting, the light, and everything else. It is said that composition can make or break an image. The rule of thirds is one of the most popular composition techniques that you can use to beautifully compose images. Today I'm going to practice the rule of thirds for my overhead shot of the pie. To apply the rule of thirds, we need to divide our frame to 9 equal rectangles with 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines that equally spaced from each other. Since the points which lines meet are the key points of interest, I try to put my subject, which is my pie dish, on or near of these connected points. Another method for applying the rule of thirds is positioning the subject in the right hand or left hand third of the frame. This makes more attractive and more interesting image. I'm going to practice both these methods and show you the images in my blog or maybe here. And please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Okay, my friends, the pie is ready, and oh my gosh, it took me a while to make all of these leaves and arrange them around the pie. but it looks good. And I'm going to set an overhead shot and take few overhead shots as well. I already took another angles, so I'm going to put the camera on my C stand and take some overheads. I show you how I arrange the setting. Okay, let's go. I'm going to put the setting with these beautiful country roses from Royal Albert, and we will see how it looks. I really like the style of these settings. It's so beautiful. I really love classic and vintage style, and this is my favorite dinner set. So I'm going to play around with the setting, and then you can see the image. I create texture and layers for this setting by placing the cups and saucepans on top of the small plates. I'm also using few nectarines here and there to add more texture to the setting, and also the green linen that I nicely curved it around my pie dish. In the first capture, I applied the rule of third first method by placing my pie dish near two connected points in the middle rectangle. In the second capture, I applied the second method of rule of third by placing my pie dish close to the right-handed third of the frame. In my opinion, both these captures are beautiful and nicely composed. Could you please let me know in the comment which one is your favorite? Which one do you think is more beautifully composed? So the pie is ready. I'm so tired. I took a couple of photos with different angles, and then I tried overhead shots with two different third of rules composition technique, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy with the result of this pie, and hopefully you enjoyed watching this vlog. And thank you for being today with me, and see you next time.